Good morning everybody, Crypto Strang here. This morning I'm giving an update on Verasity, VRA. I've done a video back on the 5th of May when the price was basically just over 3.5 cents. It had a market cap 137.5 million. It was ranked 353 that day. Now here we are today, October the 14th. It's now nearly 5.5 cents, but the market cap is 242 million. So I think last time it was 137 million, now we're at 242. So we're making great progress. Okay, so it's now ranked 193. Now also, if we go back to the other video, you can see there the circulating supply back in May was 36%, and here we are today 43%. Now they have done some massive burns before. I haven't heard anything in the last 6 months, but at one stage they were burning a lot of tokens. Okay, now when I went back that video, I've been constantly buying Veracity ever since really, and now got a nice a nice holding for me as we move forward. Whether we're going to enter a bear market, who knows? But for me, as I say, Veracity is a long-term hold. I've seen, again, like with many projects, you see some crazy price predictions. I honestly believe one day we'll get that dollar Veracity. I really do. As they constantly develop, you can see that they are constantly developing. We'll go through the site in a minute and how it works. I think especially as we sort of move on with gaming, etc., there's a lot of potential because VRA, its basic mission is to increase advertising revenues for video publishers on any video platform. The product protocol platform for esports and video entertainment. And basically what Veracity does, it makes revenues for its use case with its esports fight club. You know, it's got obviously subscriptions, its commission, its prize pools. Okay, so it's a lot of sort of genuine use cases, what we always look for, don't we? Now, if you go on Verasity.io, you can see the VRA virtuous cycle. Okay, you know, the buyers buy VRA, game developers, influence publishers, sponsors buy VRA with credit cards exchanges to fund their tournaments or campaigns. Veracity earns from tournaments, campaigns and ads. But also people earn VRA from game players, and viewers earn VRA gaming or watching content ads. User benefits, game developers, influencers. Use VRA to subscribe entry fees to games, tournaments, app stakes, cycle repeats. It's easy how to buy it now. To actually buy VRA, you can buy it direct on the wallet, but also you can buy on exchange, KU Coin, Gate.io, plus many others. There is a link below if you want to join through Gate.io. Remember, we've got that special referral link we showed on the previous video about Gate. So it's a real special link, referral link. So you basically get 30% of the commission and only get 10%. Okay, but it's also on KU Coin as well. Now, when we look at the roadmap, which is something we always look at, I looked at it before. Now you can see how long it's been around and how they've constantly developed every quarter over the last 3 years. But as we go through here, you know, obviously coming into the fourth quarter of 2021, you can see there the NFT marketplace in development. That is absolutely incredible to see. They're getting a whole NFT marketplace. The Vera player, Vera ads on enterprise distribution video platform, Vera reviews. You can just see that. I'll put the link below for Veracity.io so you can go for the whole site of constantly developing. But it's also got there like EFC, ticketing support for EFC, Esports Fight Club, you know, entire revamp of the esports tournament site launched with gaming partners. Okay, and it's just so much. There's also a corporate site revamp, and it's just a lot going on. Okay, I think it's just absolutely massive. I've never seen such a progressive roadmap, and who knows what 2022 will bring. You know, who knows? As I said, talk about bear markets, who knows if there'll be one. I'm really certain we're not going to get one as savage as 2018, but who knows what's going to happen in the future. Now, as you keep scrolling through, you can just see the partnerships and the investors. It's great to see, but it's also the leadership. You can see all the different team about it. There's a lot of people involved with Veracity. It must be to run such a huge company like this, with their roadmap, their developments, and where they're always progressing everything. You know, there's a lot. Look at the advisors alone, you know. So it's great to see. It really is, and that's what I love about it. If you go on Veracity.tv, as I say, you can scroll through here. You can see all the different parts of it. Esports Club. Also got here. So it's got there the Esports Fight Club. Obviously, download that. But watch and earn. This is interesting. So if you just want to earn VRA by watching videos, you can just watch these videos and get rewarded. Okay, there's a lot on there. Okay, it's got all the different sort of VRA videos from recent times, but it's also got a social wall there. But it's also got the Vera Wallet. Okay, now we go on the Vera Wallet, and you can basically earn VRA daily at 0.07% of the amount staked in your Vera Wallet. This is equivalent to 25.55% per year. Now, I've been staking on here. I've done a previous video. The only be completely honest and transparent. The only part I'm not over keen about this, when we talk about private wallets, which I'm very proactive about and very much say to people, you really should have your own wallets. You know, there's a lot of exchanges I'm very happy with, but also I like to keep a lot on private wallets. With Vera Wallet, you don't own your own keys, so there's a lot of trust with your VRA, with the Vera Wallet and the Verasity team. You know, I'm sure there's nothing wrong with it. It's all fine, but just remember, you know, it's not, you haven't got your own keys. You are merely just putting your coins on the Vera Wallet. You haven't got no keys. You're staking it with them. So there's a lot of trust there. Okay. So it goes through there. Now, the minimum you can stake is 10,000 VRA, which gives you a rewards of 7 VRA per day. The maximum you can stake is obviously there's a lot there. No one's going to have that, are they? Let's be 200 million, but you're going to scroll through there. So you've got to think about that. Now, it's got there the instant buy VRA stake. You know, it's got all this. Obviously, you go and you create your account. I've obviously already got one. So you create your account. You set your 2FA. It's very important. So you sort of go through there, and then you've got the different parts here where you have your wallets. Once you've signed up and you're verified, you get your My Wallets, your account, and the staking. You can see there, okay? It's quite incredible to see, and I like the fact they do the staking on the site. But again, it's entirely up to you if you sort of want to go through that. I couldn't find any other site where I could stake VRA. You know, KU Coin have been very good with VRA, but you cannot stake on there, okay? I need to find an exchange. There's always one out there where I can stake it there as well. So I like to stake multiple places. As I say, I'm happy with Vera Wallet, but I'd also like to stake elsewhere. That's just my personal opinion. Now, the VRA info in exchanges. So basically, VRA is an ERC 777 cryptocurrency token and can be traded on these exchanges. So you scroll through, got KU Coin, obviously, we've got OKX. Never heard of Inderdax, I'll be honest. Gate.io, special referral link. Ascendex, another great exchange. MXC, Bittrex, Probit, Bitmark. So it's on some very good exchanges. And that's really good to see. Okay, I really do like that. So you've got your stake. But also, when we talk about the earn, now, I spoke about this before. Now, obviously, you know, just watching videos, you don't get a huge amount, but it states here, earn VRA by watching content, videos and ads on sites of publishers and creators you love. Okay, so all you have to do, click on any video ad and watch it. When you see the trophy on the right-hand side of the video turn green, claim these rewards by clicking on the trophy and creating a rewards wallet account. VRA earned by viewing videos is paid out immediately. Now, you can see there, start earning now, reward ads, rewarded video. You can see all that, see all the reward videos you can watch. Okay, it states there, more ways to earn VRA. Okay, also with the staking, once you've staked, now you need to obviously, you can buy direct on here. See that buy VRA with bank transfer. Okay, now it's entirely up to you. You can send it from an exchange, but for instance here, say you want to pay 500. Now the minimum you can do is actually 70. Obviously I'm in Great Britain, so it's British pounds I've set it here. So the minimum is £70 is the minimum you can do via bank transfer. But the fees are £20.61. So for that £70, I'd get 1,259 VRA. Okay, now there's no guarantees, never financial advice. You know where VRA is going to go. I'm seriously hoping one day we'll reach that dollar. That's my sort of first profit price target, but we'll see. It all depends how they keep developing, but I think it's got huge potential. And literally over the sort of last 5-6 months, it has made massive progress, and it has got it for longevity. That's what I mean. You also can do Visa card payment. Okay, now that fees actually go up slightly if you use a Visa card payment, the actual bank transfer. Okay, so you think that's quite a lot of fees, isn't it? However, when you go on KU Coin, okay, now obviously it's an ERC20 token, which instantly means you've got high gas fees. So if I wanted to withdraw 11,000 VRA, it's going to cost me 500 VRA in fees. So if you're only going to put in, I say only, it's still a decent amount, but if you put in 11,000 VRA to actually recoup the 500 VRA fee to send it, you're going to get based with 11,000. It works out you get nearly 9 VRA a day. Okay, so it's actually going to take you 2 months of staking to get back the fee you just paid to transfer it from KU Coin. You see where I'm coming with this. So, and also, but when I went on Gate.io, I love the exchange. It's fantastic, but the fee on there is 1,400 VRA. It's purely because of the ERC20 token, and its fees are just horrendous, aren't they? So then you think, well, do I, you know, what do I do? Do I buy it with a bank transfer? It's entirely up to you. So you've got to make your own choice with that. If you scroll through the site, you can see so much with it, okay? Now, all you do is here, once you've signed on, it's very easy. You just hit your, once you're verified, you've got your main wallet and deposit. If you don't want to buy direct on the site, you go here and you deposit. So this is what you do. Now, states here only send VRA tokens, obviously using ERC20, but on KU Coin, the only option you get is ERC20. Okay, you just deposit on there and then you just stake it. Very easy. So many videos now on staking, how easy it is. It's very similar to any other staking site. You got to deposit, hit stake, maximum amount, job done. Okay, so it is very easy to stake, but again, when we talk about the fees to withdraw from an exchange, obviously quite a lot. It's going to take you quite a while. If you're only staking like 11,000, it's going to take you a long time to recoup the fee just in your staking rules. However, Verasity to me is long term, so I didn't mind that because it is for longevity. And you think if you sort of did 100,000 Verasity, all of a sudden you're sort of making 70 Verasity a day. When it reaches $1, that's obviously a nice passive income. So again, it's entirely up to you how you go about it. But they've also done it on their link on their website, how to use Vera Wallet and VRA Staking. Excellent. You know, the medium page is over a year old, basically, but it's still very basic. As I say, once you've signed up, you've deposited like I showed from an exchange, then it's pretty much very, very straightforward. But as I say, with Verasity, you know, I say a moment, broke through the top 200. I think this has got a huge potential. Just look at their roadmap. That's why I'm super bullish on Verasity, and I've been for quite a while. I need to do a video actually on my top 10 holdings because Verasity is now in my top 10. That's how much I'm really pumped about the project. But again, time will tell. So, anyone want to help, email me, info@cryptostrang.com. All social media links below. Help any way I can. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. Cheers now. Bye.